Dignity of Earth and Sky is a sculpture on a bluff overlooking the Missouri River near Chamberlain, South Dakota. The 50-foot-high stainless steel statue, Dignity, represents the courage, perseverance, and wisdom of the Lakota and Dakota culture in South Dakota.
You want it on film?
I'm gonna film. Tell me.
I have to tell you that I have the biggest grin on my face. I am so happy right now. I can't wait for the sun to go down and to hopefully see thousands of stars.
Oh yeah. And look I'm gonna show, there's the moon right there. And great distances.
The Badlands.
Yeah, this is our boondocking spot for the night. And it's gonna be so cold.
I know.
It's gonna be so cold.
And our legs are cold.
Oh yes, I'd say we're doing all right here. Look at this. I'm gonna sneak up on that distant view there. Yeah, one more zoom in. Yeah, that's gonna be the view for the morning. This is my $1 million view for this morning. The Badlands. What would you have to pay for a view like that? Took a little work to get here, no doubt. But I'm really enjoying this view. What a way to spend the morning. This is a view of our beautiful campground here. Well, not a campground, boondocking. It's a long road just outside of Badlands National Park. And of course there's wind, and you're going to hear that all the way through this video, the wind in the Badlands. I wish this could really show the vastness. It's just not going to do that.
Yeah, you could. This has to be seen. Only an IMAX camera might be able
Yeah,
to.
not even then, really,
Yeah,
right?
It's
When you watch the light and the shadows from the clouds sweep across us.
and just the vastness.
Yeah, that's the Black Hills way in the distance there. One of the first things we came to in the Badlands Scenic Byway was the prairie dog town. Just look at this cute little guy. You can hear the others chirping in the background. They almost sound like birds chirping. This is a pronghorn elk grazing. Most of you have probably heard of Wall Drugstore. It's at the entrance to the Badlands. Wall Drug has a couple of big parking lots that are free, and a lot of RVers and van lifers use it for overnight parking to see the sights in the area. There's so much to see at Wall Drug, I couldn't put it all in one video. There's a chainsaw sculptor there that has some amazing pieces of art. Cute little bear, a giant jackalope. Have you ever seen a jackalope? It's a mythical beast out west. Wall Drug just seems to go on and on. It's like a little town inside with small shops. All kinds of shops. Very interesting things. It would take a very long time to see them all. Western and historical details are everywhere you look. It's almost hard to see everything.
He eats every 12 minutes.
so much to see in this beautiful world and so little time for all of us. We're packing a lot of life into van life. See you next time. Bye.